So finally, after years and years of asking for it, HubSpot has delivered, and what we have is the ability to clone records in HubSpot. Yes, you've heard it right. We've now got the ability to clone records in HubSpot. So typical scenario might be that you've got a deal where you've got, say, some line items that you've carefully placed into your deal, and you want to have a second deal which is almost the same, whether you want to have, say, an alternate quote or something very, very similar for another client. In the past, you had to manually and copy everything across and tediously copy all the line items. Now, it's a matter of just clicking the clone button. Now, to get this functionality, I've already opted in, but I'll show you in another portal. So just drag this across. So we go to our top right here, then select product updates. And if you select CLON, that will get you close to it. There you go. If you click in the beta and then select cloning, now it is expected to be released mid-July. So by the time you see this, it might have already been released. However, so we click on join beta. Once you've done that, you've now got the ability to go into your pipeline and clone records. So let's take a look. Okay, so as always, I am in my demo system, and you'll see on the right-hand side here, we've got 2 line items associated with this deal. We've got a couple of people associated with the deal, and now it's a matter of going to actions, then clone. It will ask me some details around what do I want to clone, what do I want to set in the cloned record. So for some people, there might be a different name, a different association, whatever that might be. And we can tick or untick to clone the line item. So I'm just going to go ahead and click clone now. And I now have a easily cloned record with the same line items, same associations, and the record, it won't have brought across any in the notes or anything because it probably doesn't make sense. But that's it. That's how we clone a record. So hope you love this one. Keep an eye out for our next tips and tricks. If you want to keep up to date with our tips and tricks, either subscribe to our LinkedIn posts or subscribe to our newsletters via our website. See you next time. Bye.